this artificial super intelligence, which is 10,000 times smarter than mankind, and that's coming in 10 years.
Mr. Son, you're a great believer in the future. Why is that so?
Because I truly believe AI is coming, AGI, ASI, super intelligence. It's really coming. Technology is now really evolving. And that's going to change the future of mankind forever.
But you have been believing it quite some time now. Do you think you were in many ways ahead of your time?
Yeah, a little bit. But that gave me good preparation.
So what are you most excited by now?
This artificial super intelligence, which is 10,000 times smarter than mankind. And that's coming in 10 years. And that is going to change the medication, the financing, the manufacturing, logistics, everything.
Do you believe it will be a positive impact on humanity?
Yes, definitely. We humans get born crying, dying crying. In between, we're supposed to smile, right? So if we can reduce the number of accidents in the auto, if we can reduce the difficult disease, if we can reduce the job that is dangerous, sweating, tiring, much more productivity, we're supposed to enjoy.
Everyone is always asking, where is Mr. Masayoshi looking next? So where exactly are you looking next, if you can share with us?
Artificial superintelligence, I want to provide a chip, data center, the robotics, that is a fundamental for the future of this artificial superintelligence.
But how different will these robotics be than the one we see today?
Today's robot does not have a brain, does not see, it's just a muscle. This is the first time the eyes, you see, and whatever the dynamic changes, you see like human, you think, and you can adjust dynamically. That's the past robotics could not do. You had to program, and same job, or heavy job. But now with AI and robotics, make it smart, flexible, adapt. It's all like a human.
In this stage of your career, are you looking at investments that will do good for humanity? Are you more concerned about that than before?
Of course. That's the purpose.
If we meet here in 5 years at the FII, do you think it will be a very different world?
Definitely.
Thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.